Welcome back to the show. Now we have with us Dancehall Artiste Bayka, who's in the building, and he's here to talk to us about his latest project. Guess what it's called? Gyalbum. Welcome to the show, Bayka.
Thank you for having me.
All right, Bayka, if the album was a recipe, right? Yeah, run a boat. What kind of ingredients would I go in it?
Yeah, no.
All right. Good question. Little bit of love.
Yeah.
Honesty. You know? May I try to find a word for use for like, you're not too raunchy, like a little bit more mature, you know? A little bit more respectful.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be a next ingredient.
I love where he's going with that.
Yeah, man.
No, we listened to the album and we chose our favorite.
Yeah.
Right? Now,
Thank
as
you.
a princess, where's the camera? As a princess who gets a princess treatment.
One princess.
The one princess treatment. First thing I'm going to ask you, you have a special lady in your life?
Yeah,
Cause that's
she's sitting right there.
Oh, she in the building. Where the camera? Pick her up. And let me tell you, she does indeed look like a princess. Now talk to us. Was she the inspiration behind this one? She better be.
No, she's been inspiring my music, you know? Because I've been doing this for like 4 years now, you know? And we have been together from high school, so. So it's like, most of all of my songs, you know, are about her, you know?
Oh, I love that.
Should I bring her up here?
I know, right? We should have brought her up here.
So the ones that are, you know,
Yeah.
it's not about her.
Yeah, man. We know. It's all about the craft. That's what it is.
But, you know, the loved ones, you know, the ones that are telling her how much I love her.
Yeah.
You know, from my heart.
Watch her
My woman that is even love
Somebody
her.
give me a napkin.
Talking about it. Did you go in the studio with an idea, the specific sound or vibe that you wanted to create?
No, all right. Going into the studio with this project, I've been doing music, as I said, for like, this is my 4th year, so 3 years. And, you know, I took a reflection, you know. People love Bayka and love the music, but I needed some music that has more replay value in a sense. And replay value with the masses. So not with just me and my friends, my 20-year-old friends. I want like, you know, somebody in them 50s can listen Princess Treatment and say, you know, yeah, you there hold some meds, you know? Yeah, so that was just the whole intention, you know? A little bit more respect, you know? Because I have my daughter as well now. So things change, you know? How our meds change. So yeah, just that's the only difference, you know? But I still the same saucy Bayka, you know? Yeah. But I just little more respect in it now.
Now, earlier, Paul asked you about the ingredients, and oftentimes artists miss out that ingredient, you know, where the music is versatile, as you said, respectable. That was very much intentional. Tell us, and even tell other artists, why that ingredient is important.
You have Michael Jackson, you have Prince. Prime example. Michael is living on right now. My kids are gonna know Michael. I doubt my child is gonna know Prince. Because, you know, he was respectful. Yes, you can build songs for yourself as an artist. You have 3 types of songs where artists sing. Song for himself, like songs that people need to hear, songs that people want to hear, and songs for himself, like that he loves to do. So yeah, that's just it.
So Swina, what song do you want to, or what song do you think your fans would want to hear live?
Princess Treatment.
It's a winner. It's a winner.
I love it. You know?
Is that your favorite on the album?
Like, no, the whole album is my favorite. I love every one of them. Beautiful, every one of them. I love it. I just love the whole, I listen to the album like every day before I drop it. I was like, yo, I need to drop this. Me alone can't hear them good songs.
There you go, and we want everybody else in TV land to hear it. So it's Bayka who will be closing out the show here on Daytime Live from his new album, Gyalbum.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys for spending the afternoon with us on Daytime Live. Remember, you can watch this and past episodes on onespotmedia.com. See you next Tuesday. Bayka, airtime.
That is it.